Mtazamaji wangu, siku ya leo nataka tuangazie mambo ambayo yanaendelea katika taifa la Sudani Kusini, ambapo kufikia sasa watu 97 wameweza kupoteza uhai, na maafisa wa IGAD wametoa agizo la kusitishwa mara moja kwa mapigano ambayo yanaendelea katika taifa hilo. Na wakati huo Rais William Ruto ameweza kusema kwamba IGAD inafaa kuchukua msimamo mkali kuhusu mzozo ambao unaendelea kati ya wanajeshi wa serikali ya taifa la Sudan Kusini na waasi, ili kuhakikisha kuwa amani inarejea katika taifa hilo.
My elder brothers, the heads of state from the other countries have convened so that we can take charge of not just the organization, but also take charge of the situation in our region. Because of where we are and the real danger that Sudan faces today with the sporadic fighting, and therefore I have 3 suggestions to make. That number 1, as IGAD and as heads of state, that we ask for an immediate cessation of hostilities between the combatants. Number 2 is to move with speed and conclude on this one matter, on the matter that is causing this whole problem. We provide a mechanism as IGAD, together with our partners, on how this single matter of integration of RSF is resolved. The timeline is resolved. We should not allow this single matter to torpedo the whole agreement and the efforts of many Sudanese people, Sudanese institutions, IGAD, AU, and the UN. We should not allow this to go down the drain. We should resolve that single matter as a matter of urgency. And number 3, that we need to send a high-level delegation to Khartoum as and when it is practically possible, but in any case, at the earliest possible, to undertake this final push for an agreement and to also ensure that the agreements that have already been reached are eventually concluded.